2025 is approaching faster than you think. You set those ambitious goals with the best intentions, envisioning a year where everything would finally fall into place. But here we are, and you might already feel the cracks forming. Why is that happening? Let's dive into the truth behind why your 2025 goals may be unraveling, and more importantly, what you can do to fix it. The first reason your goals are falling apart is lack of clarity. Let me ask you, are your goals specific? Saying, I want to be healthier or I want to be successful is not a clear goal. For example, I want to lose 10 pounds by June 30th by going to the gym 3 times a week is a specific, actionable goal. Without this level of clarity, it's easy to lose focus or even forget what you were striving for in the first place. Think about it like this. If you're planning a road trip, you don't just say, I want to go somewhere fun. You map out the destination, the stops along the way, and even where you'll get gas. Your goals require the same level of detail. Without it, you're wandering aimlessly. The second reason is poor planning. Goals are dreams with deadlines, but deadlines mean nothing without a roadmap. Take this example. You want to write a book in 2025. That's a great goal, but have you planned how to get there? How many pages will you write each week? What time of day will you dedicate to writing? Breaking your big goal into smaller, manageable tasks creates momentum and prevents overwhelm. Let's use another analogy. Imagine you're building a house. You don't just start throwing bricks around. First, you design blueprints, gather materials, and follow a step-by-step process. Your goals need the same structured approach. Another culprit is overcommitting. Are you juggling too many goals at once? If you're trying to hit the gym, start a side hustle, learn a new language, and volunteer every weekend, you're spreading yourself too thin. Success comes from focusing on fewer things but doing them well. For instance, instead of tackling 5 major goals, choose 1 or 2 that truly matter to you and channel your energy there. Now let's talk about consistency. Have you ever gone to the gym for a week, didn't see results, and then just quit? That's because you expected instant gratification. Success doesn't work that way. Take the story of J.K. Rowling as an example. She was rejected by multiple publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Her success wasn't overnight. It was the result of relentless effort and consistency. Your goals need the same level of persistence. Distractions are another silent killer of goals. Social media, endless scrolling, Netflix binges. These are modern-day obstacles. Let me put it this way. Every hour you spend on TikTok is an hour you could have used to work on your dreams. To combat this, create a distraction-free zone. For example, if you're working on a project, put your phone in another room or use apps that block social media during focus periods. Finally, let's address self-doubt. How many times have you thought, I can't do this? Or, what if I fail? This negative self-talk is like poison for your goals. The truth is, everyone feels this way at some point, even the most successful people. The difference is they act despite their doubts. Take Elon Musk, for instance. People thought his ideas were crazy, electric cars, reusable rockets, but he believed in his vision and took action. So how can you turn things around? Let's summarize. 1. Get crystal clear about your goals. Write them down with specific details. 2. Create a detailed plan. Break your goals into smaller steps. 3. Focus on fewer goals and give them your all. 5. Commit to consistency. Remember, small daily actions lead to big results. 5. Eliminate distractions. Protect your time like it's your most valuable asset. 6. Overcome self-doubt by taking action, even when it feels uncomfortable. The year 2025 is still yours to conquer, but it starts with you taking action today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So what's your next step? Write down one goal you want to achieve, break it into a small action you can take today, and just start. Remember, success isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, staying consistent, and believing in your ability to grow. Subscribe for a better future.